Well, the hawk got one. I seen him drag it off just as I got home. Good one too, Ed. That's SHC 499. Kind of counting on that pigeon. What? Birds are flying. Let me go see if anything is in the loft. Yeah, there's some in there. Let's see if I see that old man. I'm gonna have a hard time, that guy. No, I don't see him. Oh wait. Nope, that's not him. Well, we'll see if he makes it. If he makes it, we'll continue with the driving cock situation. The mother birds are going to be flying for quite a while. Show Smitty again. Here's that Isabella triplet that I moved over. Okay. That's it for now. We'll see if that dark checker gets home and don't get eaten. Thank you for watching.